Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Filipino Landlord in America. If you've ever wondered where your money actually goes in digital advertising or why some campaigns succeed while others flop, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the true cost of digital ads, breaking down PPC expenses. I'll guide you step by step through the factors, hidden costs, and tips to maximize your ad spend and get the best return on your investment. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Filipino Landlord in America. Hit that red button below, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment if you find this helpful, share this with your network. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The true cost of digital ads. Breaking down PPC expenses. This extended explanation provides a deeper dive into the nuances of PPC, pay-per-click advertising, and its costs, suitable for a 12-minute long discussion. Each section is detailed with practical examples, strategies, and insights. Number 1. What is PPC advertising? PPC, pay-per-click advertising, is a widely used digital marketing strategy where advertisers pay each time someone clicks on their ad. It's highly targeted, allowing businesses to connect with their ideal audience at the right time. Popular platforms include search engines. Google Ads is the most dominant, allowing ads to appear on search engine results pages as SERPs based on keyword targeting. Social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn use PPC to display ads based on user demographics and behavior. How it works: at auction, advertisers bid on specific keywords relevant to their audience. Payment structure. Advertisers are charged only when users click on their ads, ensuring that the budget is spent on engaged prospects. Example, a small bakery might run a PPC campaign for the keyword "best cupcakes near me." If 100 people click on the ad, the bakery pays for those clicks, but gains the chance to convert those users into customers. Number 2. Components of PPC expenses. Understanding what makes up PPC costs is crucial for effective budgeting. Here's a breakdown. A. Cost per click, CPC. The CPC is the fee you pay for each click on your ad. Factors influencing CPC include keyword competition, the ad's relevance, and the user's intent. Low CPC example, a niche keyword like custom dog collars in Atlanta may cost 50 cents. High CPC example, a competitive keyword like business loans can cost $50 or more per click. B. Budget allocation. PPC budgets are often divided into daily or monthly limits. Advertisers need to ensure their spending aligns with their goals. Example, a business might set a $1,000 monthly budget, allocating $800 to search ads and $200 to retargeting campaigns. C. Ad creation costs. Professional ad design, compelling copywriting, and engaging visuals are critical for successful campaigns. D. Landing page costs. A well-optimized landing page ensures visitors have a clear path to conversion, requiring additional resources for design and development. Number 3. Factors that influence PPC costs. A. Industry and competition. Competitive industries with high customer lifetime values, CLVs, typically have higher PPC costs. Example, a law firm bidding for personal injury lawyer might pay $200 per click due to competition, while a local florist may pay just $1 for wedding bouquets in San Antonio. B. Geographic targeting. PPC costs vary by location. Urban and high-income areas often have higher CPCs due to greater competition. Example, a campaign targeting New York City will likely cost more than one targeting smaller towns in rural areas. C. Quality score. Platforms like Google assign a quality score based on the relevance of your ad, the user experience of your landing page, and your expected CTR click-through rate. High-quality ads are rewarded with lower CPCs. D. Device targeting. CPCs can differ between devices. Mobile targeted ads may have lower costs, but require mobile optimized landing pages to convert effectively. Number 4. Hidden costs of PPC. Poor keyword selection. Using irrelevant or overly broad keywords can waste your budget on unqualified clicks. Solution. Utilize negative keywords to filter out unwanted traffic. B. Click fraud. Competitors or bots clicking on your ads inflate costs without generating any value. Solution. Employ fraud detection tools like ClickSeize or take advantage of Google Ads built-in protections. C. Lack of campaign optimization. Failing to monitor and refine campaigns can lead to wasted ad spend. Example, a poorly performing ad left unchecked can drain budgets without producing results. D. Tools and software subscriptions. Managing PPC campaigns effectively often requires premium tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or WordStream, adding to overall costs. Number 5. Calculating ROI on PPC campaigns. Determining the true value of your PPC campaigns is essential. Calculating ROI involves analyzing how much revenue the campaign generates compared to its costs. Formula: ROI equals revenue from campaign total costs times 1 ROI equals total costs revenue from campaign total costs times 100. Example: ad spend $1 revenue generated $5 ROI. 5,000 1,000 times 100 equals for 100 5,000 1,000 times. This shows a highly profitable campaign. On the other hand, and ROI below 100% indicates losses, prompting the need for adjustments. Number 6. How to optimize PPC expenses. Set clear goals. Define specific objectives like increasing website traffic, generating leads, or driving sales. B. Conduct thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Moz to identify high-value, low-competition keywords. C. Monitor campaigns regularly. Frequent performance reviews help identify underperforming ads and optimize them. D. Leverage retargeting campaigns. Retarget visitors who didn't convert initially, as they are more likely to engage the second time. E. Improve ad quality and relevance. Create compelling, engaging ads with strong CTA letters, calls to action. Pair this with mobile-friendly, fast-loading landing pages. Number 7. PPC versus other advertising models. While PPC focuses on paying for clicks, it's essential to compare it with other models. 8 CPM cost per mil, pay per 1,000 impressions, suitable for brand awareness campaigns. Pro, wider reach for less money. Con, no guarantee of engagement. Beats CPA cost per acquisition. Pay only when a conversion occurs, like a purchase or sign up. Pro, high ROI. Con, often has higher upfront costs. PPC strikes a balance, offering measurable results while providing control over budget and targeting. Number 8. Conclusion: the true cost of PPC advertising. Understanding PPC expenses is vital for businesses to maximize ROI. Beyond CPC, marketers must consider factors like industry competition, quality scores, and optimization efforts. By continuously refining campaigns, using data-driven insights, and leveraging effective tools, businesses can minimize waste and make every dollar count. With proper management, PPC campaigns can become a cornerstone of your digital marketing strategy, driving consistent traffic and measurable results for your business. That's it for today's deep dive into the true cost of digital ads, breaking down PPC expenses. I hope this guide helps you understand where your money goes and how to get the most out of your campaigns. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Filipino Landlord in America. Click that subscribe button below, like this video, leave a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and share this with your friends or colleagues who need help with digital marketing. And make sure to turn on that notification bell so you never miss any of our updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.